Metis is the next big project in my opinion. It's a layer 2 scaling solution that's so much faster and cheaper than Ethereum and lots of other layer 1 blockchains. Plus, with a market cap of just around 400 million, it's got lots of room to grow. High time to learn how you can actually bridge tokens to the Metis network. What's up, my name is Caroline and this is Wealth in Progress, where you'll learn how to make passive income with cryptocurrencies. In this video I'll show you how you can bridge Metis or other tokens from different blockchains to the Metis network. I'll also show you how to get started from an exchange and then send tokens over to Metis to then invest in the Metis ecosystem. Now, we're huge fans of the Metis ecosystem and I honestly think this can become a top 50 or even a top 10 coin. Now, naturally, with Metis growing, its ecosystem grows as well, and that gets you some really good opportunities to get in early on new projects. That's been one of our main focuses in the DeFi Academy, and so for instance we shared Starstream at its IDO or ICO price when it first started out, and we're constantly looking for up and coming projects that offer new opportunities for our members. Plus, all of our members get direct support from Karen and me, so no one gets lost in a new DAO. Now, those projects or those tokens are actually perfect to use for my millionaire strategy. Link is on top of my head if you haven't watched that yet. Now, what you need to remember is that you don't need a 100x every second day. All you need is a 3 to 5x every couple of weeks or months. So if you want to be early for new Metis projects and don't want to spend hours upon hours digging through crypto Twitter and other resources, then go down in the description, click on the second link to join the DeFi Academy now. Alright, let's dive in. So I'm now on Synapse Bridge, and that has just recently launched for the Metis network, and that's probably one of the best and easiest bridges to bridge between different chains. Now, before that there was also another bridge available, but since this is now the best option, I'll just show you how to do it with this one. Alright, now first of all you need to connect your wallet, and we'll use MetaMask for this example. If you don't have MetaMask yet, link is on top of my head with a tutorial for that. And then you'll need you obviously need the chain that you want to bridge your tokens from to the Metis chain. So I'll show you a couple of chains that are available, and then you'll also need to install Metis, the Metis chain. I think that's done automatically, but otherwise I'll just show you another link that's called chain list. And then what you can do is you can search for networks. So for instance, Metis here, and then connect your wallet here and then click add to MetaMask. And all of that will automatically be added, so you've automatically got the Metis chain imported into your MetaMask. But I'm pretty sure if you first connected to Metis here, it will probably do that automatically. Otherwise, go to Chainlist and do that first. Alright, so now click on Connect Wallet, then click on MetaMask, and a pop-up should show up where it asks you to connect to Synapse Protocol. So click on Next and then click on Connect. So now you can see it shows me that I could bridge from Metis to Arbitrum in this case, but I can just choose which option I want, which combination I want basically. So right now I'm connected to Metis here. So let's assume you want to bridge from another chain, for instance Phantom, to Metis, or any other chain basically. If you want to see what's on offer, you can click on that drop down here and you can see you can bridge from all of those chains to Metis. So a whole lot of options. So I'll just take Phantom as an example because I've also got Phantom connected here. So click on that drop down in your MetaMask and then click on Phantom. Now you'll see that it automatically chooses Phantom on top here, and then on the bottom choose Metis. Now as you see, again, you could bridge to a whole lot of other options, but I'm showing you how to bridge to Metis. So choose Metis. Alright, and now you can see if you click on that drop down here, you've got a lot of options for what you can bridge here. But the easiest way is naturally a stable coin. Now, if you want to buy Metis somewhere and then send it into the ecosystem, the easiest way to do that is do it on an exchange. I'll get to that in a minute, but first let's go through that bridging process. So right now I don't have any stable coins in here, but as always, you can just swap them anywhere else. For instance, on SpookySwap, that's Phantom's most commonly used exchange. So I'll just quickly swap some Phantom to USDC. Now, as you can see, I've got my 0.5 USDC in here, and so now I can bridge that from Phantom to Metis. I think you could even choose a different coin here so that it bridges to a different coin, but that just makes things unnecessarily complicated, so I'll just bridge from USDC to USDC. Alright, now I'll click on Max here because I want to bridge all of that. Then first of all, you need to click Approve USDC. Then again, confirm that in your MetaMask. Now, as you can see down here, there is a 5 USDC transaction fee to bridge it actually. So this won't, I don't have enough tokens in here, so I won't be able to actually do the full process. And also keep in mind, this doesn't make sense for small amounts. So if you really want to get coins into the Metis ecosystem, make sure it's a bigger amount, a bigger chunk all at once, or then use the option with the centralized exchanges. So it now says that the amount must be greater than the fee, what I just mentioned, but otherwise you would just click on bridge or something. It says something like bridge here, and then go through with that, and it's bridged over. Now, if you don't want to pay those 5 USDC fees, or if you don't have any coins in any other ecosystems, any stablecoins that you want to bridge over, but instead you'd prefer to buy Metis on an exchange and then get it into the ecosystem, you've got 2 options at the moment. Number one, it has just launched on KuCoin just a couple of days ago, so you can actually buy it there, but the issue is you can't send it to Metis at the moment. So unfortunately, if you click on withdraw, you can see that you can only choose the Ethereum network at the moment. So you could send Metis to Ethereum, which would be super expensive, and then it's stuck in Ethereum and you still have to bridge it over, so that doesn't make sense. But what you can do as well is use gate.io. So that's another centralized exchange that works pretty much the exact same way as KuCoin and Binance. I've got tutorials for KuCoin and Binance in the description, so you can check those out. It works pretty much the exact same way. Now, what you need to keep in mind is you need to get verified. You need to verify your ID or something like that before you can actually withdraw coins. I realized that after wanting to withdraw, and then there's like a 24-hour waiting period where you have to wait before you can actually withdraw. So do that first. And then once you're done with that, you can click on wallet and then click on spot account, and you'll see your coins. And in order to buy Metis, you actually just need to go on trade and then spot trading. I think it's standard. And then as any other exchange, you just buy your tokens here, and then again go to spot account on the wallet, and then you'll have your tokens here. And then what you can do with Metis is you can click on withdraw here. And then as you can see is you can choose Metis here. So you can choose Metis as the network, which is important to choose that if you send it to the Metis ecosystem, otherwise it won't arrive. And then you can type in your MetaMask wallet address in here, choose the amount, and then click on submit request. So the exact same process as what you would do with KuCoin, and then it ends up in your MetaMask wallet in here. If you go to Metis, it will end up in here, and then you can start using its ecosystem. And the main DEX to then use in the ecosystem is Tetis. So that's what this looks like. Again, it looks exactly the same as any other decentralized exchange. It works pretty much exactly the same. So what you can do is you can then bridge over from, for instance, Metis here. So for instance, Tetis, or you can choose anything that you find in here. Or for instance, also Stars, that's the one, the Starstream token that I mentioned earlier, and then you can start using this ecosystem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, bridging is really, really simple, and even sending it over from an exchange works the exact same way as with any other ecosystem or with any other blockchain. All you need to do is you need to know where to go to actually buy the tokens, where to go to bridge them, and then where to go to use the ecosystem. So these are the most important links and addresses. All of those links are in the description. And while you're down there, don't forget to take a look at the DeFi Academy, which is the second link in the description, where one of our main focus is on the Metis ecosystem at the moment, and where we share new projects that we find valuable for tokens or NFTs or staking or anything like that. Also, if you prefer to get a free masterclass where you can improve your investing strategy and learn some really good techniques to see what whales are doing, then the first link in the description is where you need to go, where you get a completely free training to learn all of those super useful metrics. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!